In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not showing on your Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we have to click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate system. Scroll down and that we have to look for troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Now here you'll find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So run the network and internet troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So simply run the network and internet troubleshooter. And after you have done the part, just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next method, press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type here ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Now you'll find your Wi-Fi or your network. Just simply make a right click and then select Enable. Now once enabled, this will help you fix the issue from here. Okay, this is now connecting to the network connection. Okay, so now we're connected to it. Next method, make a right click at the start button. You have to locate device manager. Now once the device manager window is opened, you have to select network adapters. And here you'll find your network adapter. Make a right click, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to simply choose the latest version, or you can simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Click on the next button. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then close this. Close these windows and check again right here. Your problem will be fixed. Next method, click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on network and internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. Under more settings, you'll find network reset. Click on that. Click on the reset now button and click on yes. This will also restart your Windows. So make sure to remember your connection password and you have to reconnect to it. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.